I'm going to show how to replace this broken desk chair wheel. They're just primarily plastic. There's some steel down in here, but it broke off. So take a pretty good sized flat screwdriver, and there's a ridge here, this metal part. Try and get that between, there we go, and just pry and pull that out. And I've purchased these at home improvement stores and things like this. This is actually one that I took off another chair, and I figure they're kind of expensive. I remember correctly, like $5 a piece. Like, wow. So I had an old chair, and I just took the wheel off of it. And sometimes these are different. This steel is different size hole, and that depends on the chair. So it's just a matter of lining up, and that one seems to fit. The hole can become oblonged, and sometimes they'll fit in better than one way than another. Oh, whoops. Won't go in, won't come out. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. There, it's seated all the way down and in and fixed. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.